Hello, welcome to another video on WP Blogger. This is Derek, and today I am going to present to you WordPress blogging for beginners. WordPress is the most popular CMS online, that's content management system. WordPress is the best platform recommended to all beginners to use for their blogging journey. If you want to learn WordPress blogging, you are at the right place. This is the channel for you. I come your way with awesome tutorials, awesome videos on how to use WordPress as a beginner. I am going to give you a brief on WordPress as a beginner and how to get started. Before we go into the main details of this video, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I release one of my awesome videos. If you have any questions or suggestions, don't forget to leave them in the comment box below. Now let's get started into today's video. WordPress, like I was saying, is the best way to blog. If you want to start blogging, I recommend to you WordPress. Before you start blogging, you must have a niche in mind, and you must also have your domain name in mind. Now, as a beginner, I will advise you that always go for a niche in your passion, a niche in something you are very knowledgeable about, a niche in something you can give value without even thinking twice. This will help you keep going. This will help you come up with quality content that your users will love. So go for a niche that you can produce the content yourself and you are passionate about. Once you've been successful with your first blog, then your second, your third, your fourth blogs, you can go for other niches that you found out they are very profitable and you want to engage yourself into. That is, you can even pay people to create the content for you. But for experience sake, in order to gain enough experience, you should go for a niche that you are ready to give value for. Niches can be in your hobby, in your skills, or something you've read a whole lot about. When it comes to domain name registration, I will suggest to you Name Silo, but I'm also going to suggest to you a hosting platform that will also give you a free domain name, that you don't need to buy a domain name from a different registrar. As a beginner, the WordPress hosting I recommend is Bluehost. We've been using Bluehost for all the WordPress tutorials on this channel. I use WordPress for all my money websites and all my tutorial websites. Bluehost is the recommended WordPress hosting for beginners. Now, click on the link below this video. It will bring you to the home page of Bluehost with this discount already activated. Click on Get Started and it will bring you to this page. And once you are on this page, select any of these packages. Any of these packages come with free domain names. For example, I'll click on this, on the plus option, and we can search for a domain name. What should I go for? I'll go for Geeks. I'll go for Geeks here as an example, and let's click next. Let's hope that this domain name is available for sign up. The .com is not available, sorry guys, but this one is available. .net and also .tech. Gigs.tech sounds okay to me, so let me select this one. So we have the domain name gigs.tech is available. Just enter your details, fill in all your details here, select your package, everything here. You can enable, you can untick or leave them as they are, and go ahead and make your order. Go ahead and make your order. And this domain name that you are buying, like as you can see from here, this is what I'm looking for. Primary domain registration is free. So if we purchase this hosting account with Bluehost, our domain name that we've selected would be given us for free. Once you have a hosting package with Bluehost, your login details will be given to you, and this is how your Bluehost portal will look like. And you can go through to install WordPress on Bluehost. Let me just go through the Bluehost portal and show you one or two things. I'll click on my sites here, and I'll click on manage sites, and this is where you get to manage sites. Let's say you've just gotten your Bluehost account. How do you even install Bluehost easily as a beginner? How do you install WordPress easily on your Bluehost dashboard as a beginner? Come to my site here and go to create site, select WordPress and click on get started. Enter your site name, enter your site tagline or the description. If you want a detailed step-by-step guide on how to install WordPress on Bluehost, I have the video. Check my channel. I also have another video on how to install WordPress as a beginner through cPanel. If you are not using Bluehost but any other hosting platform that uses cPanel, I have another video for you. Check out those videos. Now, once you have your WordPress installed, come into your WordPress dashboard. Always enter your domain name with wp-admin, this URL here, to come inside your WordPress dashboard. I have other videos on how to access the WordPress admin dashboard. Like I said, I have more videos for beginners on this channel. Check those videos out. If you subscribe to this channel, you'll never be found wanting as a WordPress beginner. I've taken my time, I've dedicated myself to teach you A to Z, everything you need to learn about WordPress blogging as a beginner. Once you are inside your WordPress dashboard, this is how it's going to look like. There are two things about WordPress. We have WordPress plugins, and we also have WordPress themes. Let me go into my theme section here. After installing WordPress and you come into your dashboard, the next step is to install a WordPress theme. The theme I recommend is newspaper, and that is what we use in our various tutorials. Click on the link below to check out newspaper and make your order. If you don't want newspaper, there are other themes available for you. The next step is WordPress plugins. Come to the add new section and you will see several plugins that add different functionality, different features to your WordPress blog. So for example, let me just search for YouTube here. YouTube. Let's just search for YouTube. and we are going to get different plugins on YouTube. So these plugins are meant to help you add functionalities, add new features to your WordPress blog or your WordPress site. Everything is click, drag and drop, no coding involved. And as a beginner, you can have a WordPress site up and running. Another settings that you shouldn't forget when you create a new WordPress blog is your permalinks. So come to settings here and click on permalinks. Go into the permalinks and change the URL structure. By default, this is the permalink structure for WordPress. Always select post name and hit save changes so that your links will become SEO friendly. With this theme that I am using, I have imported the demo content onto our site. So let's view how our website is looking like. Let's check out the default look of our site. So this is our WordPress site here, built with newspaper theme and is being hosted on Bluehost. Let's click on one of these posts here, and this is our featured image. This is our featured image. We have these sharing buttons that all your users can easily click on and share onto these social media platforms. You even have the ability to also share on WhatsApp. We have the WhatsApp button here. Let's close this. So this is how a new WordPress blog also looks like, and this is how our demo content is looking like. If you want to create a new WordPress post, I have the tutorial. If you want to learn how to create a new page, I have the tutorial. Check the other videos on this channel. In this video, we are just going through the basic WordPress stuff you need to understand as a beginner. You need this video as a quick introduction to WordPress. For the step-by-step guides, check the other videos on this channel. Let's come back into our dashboard. Like I said, if you want a quick way to get started with WordPress, check the resources below this video. I have created some WordPress resources for beginners. Check these resources. They will help you get started easily and quickly with WordPress as a beginner. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Enable the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I release one of my awesome videos. Smash the like button, give me the thumbs up. It means a whole lot to me. If you have any questions, if you have any issue, feedback that you want me to tackle for you as a WordPress beginner, leave them in the comment box below. I reply to every comment on this channel. I'll reply to your questions, your issues, your problems, and I'll help you solve all of that. So don't forget, leave them in the comment box below. Until I come your way with another tutorial, it's bye-bye from WP Blogger.